you hold the side edges of the mat and extend your spine, let your abdomen should rest. The two corners of the buttocks should be on the floor. When you straighten the legs, the buttocks should be rested and the heel extended. You keep the legs at 80-85 degrees without lifting the buttocks, without bending the legs. Try to bring the legs to 90 degrees. If you are menstruating, you keep the legs bent and hold the sides of the knees. And let your abdomen should rest. We have put two belts and a brick in between. Chalo. Lift up. Watch. You will put the belt in front of the mounts of your feet. Just watch first. I want the heel to be extended. आप सबके साथ क्या हो रहा है? Most of you, the heels are still sagging. This is not going to release the sciatic nerve that we might have a complaint for. So you keep the heel extended, resist with the belt, and straighten the legs. No. The belt is resisting the mounts from extending. If the mounts extend, then the heel shortens. So it's resisting that action. That's why we are able to get a better extension of the heel with the help of the belt. Better extension of the heel means a stronger thigh. Got it? Bend कितनी जल्दी हो रहा है ना? Hold your knees, feet up. Now straighten the legs onto the floor. Extend your arms towards your feet, not on the floor. Keep the hands lifted, fingertips sharp. Coil the chest first because that is a difficult part. Raise the head. Raise the shoulders. Raise your upper back. Lower back on the floor. Completely. The abdominal square from the bottom ribs to the base of your pelvis. This should be on the floor. From the bottom rib, the back bottom rib, that has to lift up. Completely lift up. Maintain and raise the feet up 15 degrees. Go back. Extend your arms. Coil the chest inwards. Raise the feet up. Come back. Now with the belt. Belt around the mounts. Legs straight. Keep your arms straight. Coil the chest. Feet down, feet down. Sirf pura feet down. Just coil the chest. You are holding the belt so you can coil. Now lift up the feet. Chalo, watch. Come closer and watch. You will sit on the edge of the chair. Keep the hands forward. ऐसे नहीं, आगे की तरफ. Take your comfortable distance, and at that distance you place the brick, holding between the feet so that your feet remain aligned. Both the hands on the chair. You lift up the pelvis, keep the abdomen soft, keep the shoulders soft. Do not open the chest. Keep the shoulders neutral, raise the pelvis and look up. To come back, you first bend the legs and come back on the chair. Now let's try to straighten the legs also. So brick को थोड़ा दूर रख लो जहां तक आपकी लेग सीधी होंगी. Come back. Keep the brick slightly away, slightly far off. You adjust your upper back. Get the lift of the pelvis. And one by one, you straighten the leg. And hold. One more thing, don't try to take the neck all the way back because your shoulders are turned forward. So your neck is somewhere going to rest on itself, on the trapezium. Got it? Yes. Chalo. Turn your chair around and sit with your right side facing the stage. Turn the chair around. उल्टा लगाओ chair को. उल्टा. कोई कहीं देखेगा, कोई कहीं देखेगा. उल्टा करो chair. Back towards the stage. Back towards the stage. ये है back. Now sit with your right side to the wall, right side to the chair. Chair के ऊपर side से बैठना है. Bindu, you turn the chair around. Now you will hold the two ends of the chair at the back. Inhale, extend, exhale and rotate your chest, your abdomen to the right side. Using the fulcrum at the bar of the chair, you turn.